sabi rito, no, nire-remind ka ni universe to take care of yourself, right? Iisa lang katawan natin, no? So, for some of you, nagkakasakit na kayo, right? No? Kung kailangan magpa-check up, right? Hindi yung puro pa-herbal kayo for some of you, no? Literally, no? Maybe talagang may for some of you, you need to go to the doctor, no? Seek some, medical advices, no? For some of you, Virgo. And eat a healthy, live a healthy lifestyle, no? For some of you, no? Detox, no? For some of you din, no? So, overall, no? Sinasabi sa inyo ni universe to take care of your body, to take care of yourself, right? Mga Virgo natin. So, yeah, that's it for you, mga Virgo. So, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga Virgo natin, right? No? So, yeah, that's it. God bless you all and thank you for watching, Virgo.